Good afternoon, this is Juliano from Juliano's Garage Auto Sales. Another sunny, hot, humid day here in Orlando, Florida. I'm gonna showcase you this 2006 truck, 2006 Chevy Silverado. As a matter of fact, I had two of these in my lot. The reason I say I had is because the other one that I call the sister of this one has just been sold. It's going to Illinois. This one here, I just got it ready, just got it back from the detail shop. This one is a 2006 Silverado 1500 LT Z71 4x4. And as always, as usual, I'm gonna point out the flaws, the good, the awesome, and the things that are not so great. Mechanically, this truck is amazing. Put a lot of work in this truck, but let's talk about the cosmetics first. Nothing major, no dings, no dents. Paint shines really well. It's a minor door ding here. There is a dent here. It's not so bad, but it's here. It's about 3 inches, I would say. As usual, all your new lights. Body of this truck is amazing. Some clear coat coming out, or actually some of the paint coming out here. Hood is nice. Roof is nice. Very straight truck. One tiny little ding here, some touched up paint chips, faded here too. The fade is only on the left side. That's I don't know why, but anyway, little chip here that was touched up, some chips here. Bumper has some stuff done here by probably the previous owner. Other than that, it's nice. No dents on the bumper or anything like that. Truck has been running for about 10 minutes or more, 15 minutes. Pretty nice truck. Tires are nice. Rocker panels. Beautiful. It's a beautiful rust-free Florida truck. You see some minor corrosion on the frames of these trucks from Florida, which is usual. It's mostly because of the humidity. Nothing to do with salt or anything like that. It's nothing like the Rust Belt trucks, you know. Interior of this truck is nice, very clean. Here's your heated seats. Never use this thing in Florida. Never. The carpets are really clean. Seats are really clean. No tears. Original seat. This one. Your dash. Very nice. With exception of a small crack here. On the other side too, I'm going to show you in a minute. You got your OEM radio. You have some CDs that are stuck in there. Back seat, really nice. I'm gonna open this for you. There we go. Very nice, clean carpet. And this truck is a one-owner truck. I don't know if I mentioned that. One-owner Florida truck, rust-free. That's your headliner. Some minor flaws here. I didn't want to touch this headliner because it wasn't that bad. Of course, you got your Bose. Yeah, it's an LT. It's a top of the line truck at the time. LT. I'd say LT2 package, with the exception of your sunroof. This side of the headliner is a little worse, but it's not crazy. So the other crack is right here. I don't know if you can see well, and the tiny one right here, and one right here. This is the sun, man. Here you got your steering wheel controls. This truck has got 159, 289 to be precise. I put like 100 miles in this truck. Runs and drives really well. Put a lot of work into this truck too. O2 sensors, NOx sensors. This seat has been redone. The reason I decided to redo this seat here, not only one section, is to make it, like, you know, look better. This is the only one section that was bad on the seat, the original seat. There was like a crack here. You can see on the other video. This side here is really clean too, like the other side. The floor here, don't mind the plastic here, just for protection. I remove them for the video. Very nice. You got your heated seats here too, your memory seats, your power folding mirrors. Let's see if that thing is gonna work. Yeah, it does work. And one thing I don't like too much about this truck here is the tint. It wasn't well done, you know. But it's alright. One more thing is the mirror here is a little yellow. Easy fix. 4x4 works really nice. I'm gonna try to keep this truck more affordable. That's why I didn't pick on those little things. You know, I could have painted this like I do usually do on my trucks. If I see little things like this, I address and I fix them. But I'm gonna keep this truck here on a little more of affordable area. You know, low teens, maybe. I think this truck here is gonna go for $12,995. I gotta double check that, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna price this truck at. I just sold one, $13,995. That truck needed nothing. But this one here, being a one owner truck, Florida truck, you know, it's a different animal. You can't touch these one owner trucks. Truck has been running, no ticks, nothing. There's a 5.3. Just take a picture. Runs really well, really well. Drives really nice too. To know more about this truck here or any of my other trucks, you just go on www.julianosgarage.com. Follow me on Instagram at Juliano's Garage USA. Like the video, subscribe. I'm gonna try to put the other video here, somewhere around here. For the other white truck that was sold for $13,995. That one went to, it's going actually. The customer's gonna pick it up on Saturday. It's going to Illinois. This one here is as good as that truck with minor flaws. This one, you know, it's got the charcoal interior. Some people like that better. I don't care. I love them all. But you know, like I said, www.julianosgarage.com. Instagram is at Juliano's Garage USA. Like the video, subscribe, give me a call, go on my website. The Carfax is gonna be there. Alright guys, Thank you very much for watching.